Birth story. Over 12 pounds and purple, I emerged. Alien baby with the liver of an old man. Drop by drop, they exchanged my blood with bags of strangers. Foreign was the flesh of my mother's breast. Lips slit, eyes shut. We need to wake her up, doctor said. Doctor ordered my mother to pinch me hard. So on my fresh skin, digging her fingernails in, mother carved new moons. I clung to black, a frozen star still in the dream world. Doctor handed her a 3-inch needle. Push it in, he ordered, deep. So she stabbed the soles of my feet. Still asleep, I whimpered. Clean white walls promised the best medicine. This was America in the 80s. The men she trusted knew no better than to slice my mother open or sit seething in the waiting room, a soul-static TV set on reruns of Father Knows Best. My mother listened to their instructions. She tried to do it all right for love. Papered the walls with thin news stories, Windexed family photo memories, learned how to put up blinds. Before my mother's touch were man-made machines, wires for my veins, thick suction cups stuck like nipples they'd fondle, heartbeats into a line of their beeping erections. My day-old body, dependent on them already, did not want to be of this world. My parents prayed to the Holy Mary, and though father was a former priest, my mother, ordered by God, or simply another man in white on high, to stare at her sentenced hands as they nailed her baby, must have won Mary's empathy. It was 5 days of IVs before a doctor's last words. If she doesn't drink your milk, we have to pull the plug. So I lit up, sucked it up on the 15th of August, a holy holiday besides Christmas, when Catholics go to church. They call it Mary's Ascension, so I am Maria, after her. When I think of suffering, the baby, the karma that is mine, my first cry, a conglomerate echo of all my past lives, what I know of the story I've been given are these lines. And in this one, I survived.